Hi guys! Welcome to Tita Del's Vlog. Samahan niyo ako sa isang exciting tour dito sa Cavite. Kung nag-iisip kayo kung saan pwede mag-settle, mag-invest ng bahay, o maghanap ng magandang opportunities, this video is for you. Cavite has been booming lately. Sobrang daming developments at exciting place to explore. Ready na ba kayo? Let's go! Unang reason kung bakit perfect ang Cavite, sobrang accessible siya ngayon. Thanks to major infrastructures like Calax, Cavitex, and Skyway connection. Mabilis na ang biyahe papunta sa Metro Manila. Kung dati, 2 to 3 hours ang biyahe, ngayon, 45 minutes na lang, depende pa sa ruta. Kaya, kung nagtatrabaho ka sa city, at gusto naman ng tahimik na lugar to go home to, Cavite is the great choice. Ang galing, di ba? Plus ongoing pa ang Sangli International Airport na magiging game changer for travel and businesses. Hindi lang mabilis ang biyahe, kundi kompleto din ang lifestyle needs mo dito. Dito sa Cavite, may mga world-class malls like Ayala Vermosa at mga SM malls. Kung saan, mayroon kang shopping, dining, at entertainment in one place. At hindi lang yan. Dito sa Cavite, ongoing din ang mga central business projects like Maple Grove, Evo City, at River Park. Kung saan, mayroon itong township, businesses, eco park, na pasyalan na patok sa lifestyle mo. Kung mahilig kayo sa outdoor activities, marami ring pasyalan at open spaces dito. Perfect for jogging, biking, or family picnics. And let's not forget, sobrang daming Instagram, worthy coffee shops, local restos dito sa Cavite. Isa pa sa reasons kung bakit Cavite is ideal. Mayroon ditong house and lot packages na perfect for families or even for first-time home buyers. Most of these communities come with amenities like swimming pools, gyms, and clubhouses. And the best part, mas affordable compared to properties in Metro Manila. Kung ang hanap mo naman ay career growth or business opportunities, Cavite is a growing economic hub. Ang daming industrial parks and BPO centers na nag-offer ng iba't ibang trabaho sa iba't ibang sectors. And with the future Sangli airports, siguradong dadami pa ang investment dito. And lastly, Cavite offers stunning natural beauty. Sino bang hindi makaka-appreciate ng lamig at view ng Tagaytay? Imagine, pwede ka mag-coffee dito any weekend. Kaya, hindi mo na kailangang lumayo for a quick getaway. At ayun nga guys, Cavite offers the perfect mix of city convenience, relaxing lifestyle, and exciting opportunities. Kaya kung naghahanap kayo ng bagong tahanan or a fresh start, consider Cavite. Kaya salamat sa pagsama sa tour na to. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe for more adventures. Kita-kits tayo ulit next time. Bye-bye!